Hello and welcome in, my beautiful family. Thank you for being here. If it's your first time, welcome in. On this channel, I focus on natural healing, wellness, and positive vibration, encouragement to you and to myself. I am Charlene, the founder of Infinite Wellness and Coaching. All my contact information is in the About Me section. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your crystal. And if you haven't seen my chakra videos on crystals and what crystals you can use for your chakras that are from your neck up, then go ahead and check that out so you can understand what stones you can use. But generally, blue stones, and you can also do amethyst. That's for the crown chakra, to massage your face. Or you could just use any stone you feel called to. So this helps to ease your headaches. Now you want to rub the stone, connect with your stone. And I already pre-oiled my face, so you might want to oil your face. It's a smooth massage. I use essential oil. I use lavender essential oil mixed with olive oil. And I have a video on that as well that you could check out. It's also going to be in the description section. It's part of the How to Heal Headaches playlist. So now you want to feel for where your pain is and just rub the stone along those pains as you connect with the stones. Take deep breaths. Relax. Relax. And just feel wherever that pain is. Comb it out. Comb through that pain. Allow the stone to help you feel relief and ease. And when you're done, of course, you thank your stones. Go relax and take it easy. Lay down and forget all that you need to get done now. You'll do it when you're better. That's it. I hope this has been useful. And I pray that you share it with those that might need it. Or just share it on your social media. It may help someone out there who needs this type of information to heal naturally. It's so simple. Oh, and yeah, that's fireworks because it's the 4th of July that I'm recording this. So happy Independence whenever you see this. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful, wonderful healing journey here with me. Subscribe if you haven't, if you feel the vibe. One love.